Hello everyone. Let me see the exercise based on matrices. This is the exercise from matrices. The page number is 39. Okay, let me see the examples. A equal to 1 minus 1 0 3 by R1 interchange into R2. Means we have to apply these operations on the given matrices. A is nothing but the matrix 1 minus 1 0 3. We have to apply the operation R1 interchanging to R2. Let me do this by R1 interchanging to R2. Means A equal to the first row is replaced by R2 and the second row is replaced by R1. Therefore this is nothing but minus 1 3 1 0, which is so simple. Similarly, let me do the next one. Second example is B is equals to 1 minus 1 3 2 5 4, and we have to apply the operation R1 is going to interchange by R1 minus R2. Means we have to subtract the elements R2 from R1. See, the first present is here, the first present is R1. Therefore we have to first of all apply the operation on R1. R1 minus R2 means we have to subtract the elements of R2 from R1, not to R2 minus R1. Okay, which are two very different cases. Okay, by R1 is going to interchange by R1 minus R2. Okay, let me see how we are going to do. Okay, R1 minus R2. R1 is going to interchange means whatever may be the operation, it should be operated on elements from R1. R1 means let we apply position wise. First of all, R1 means 1 minus R2 means 2 1 minus 2. Similarly, R1 means minus 1. Similarly, the corresponding element of R2 is nothing but minus 5. Similarly, 3 minus 4. The second row will become as it is because there is no operation on R2. Therefore, let we keep as it is. Okay, let me write the next coming elements. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. 3 minus 4 minus 1. The second row elements are keeping as it is. Okay, this is the new matrix coming from B. Therefore, B equal to minus 1 2 minus 6 5 minus 1 4, which is also so simple. Similarly, let me do the next one. Third one, A equal to 5 4 1 3. C1 is interchanged with C2. Similarly, B equal to 3 1 4 5. R1 interchange to R2. What do you observe? First of all, let we operate this transformation on the given matrices. Let we observe what will become. Okay, A equal to 5 1 4 3. Okay, what we are doing here? We are doing by C1 interchange to C2. Means the first column is going to interchange by C2. Means 5 1, this is my first column. 4 3, this is my second column. First column is replaced by second column. Means in terms of 5 and 1, we should write 4 3. Therefore, first of all write 4 3 and the next one will be 5 1. Similarly, let we do the same operation on B. B is nothing but 3 1 4 5. Okay, now by R1 interchange with R2. Means R1 is going to interchange by R2. R1 means first row is going to interchange by second row. Means the first row is going to replace by second. Second one is 4 5. Therefore, first of all write 4 5. Then next one will be 3 1. Okay, therefore B equal to 4 5 3 1. Let me give, this is my 1. This is my second equation. From 1 and 2, what do you observe? Let me see, matrix A is nothing but the new coming matrix of A is nothing but 4 5 3 1. Also B is a 4 5 3 1. From 1 and 2, what we are observing? That both the matrices are equal. 4 5 3 1. See, position wise both the elements are equal. Therefore, these two matrices are equal. Okay, let me see the next one. Next example, A equal to 1 2 minus 1 0 1 3. We want to operate operation like this to C2, and B equal to 1 0 2 2 4 5, and the operation is a minus 3 R1. Means we have to multiply the second column by 2 and the first row by minus 3. Okay, therefore let me take this by 2 times C2. 2 times C2 means we want to multiply the second column by 2. Okay, the first column is a 1 0, therefore let me write as it is, and the operation is going to operated on second column, therefore there will be change in second column only, not in the first and third. Therefore first and third are keeping as it is, therefore we are writing first of all first column and third column. Let me multiply the second column by 2, means 2 2s are, second column is nothing but 2 1, therefore we want to multiply the second column by 2, therefore 2 2s are 4, 2 into 1 becomes 2. Similarly the operation is going to operated on B. Here is also by minus 3r1. Okay, minus 3r1. Okay, therefore B equal to, see, we want to operate the operation on the first row r1, means the elements of r1 are going to be changed, second row will be keeping as it is, therefore 2 4 5 let me write as it is. Okay, let me multiply the first row elements by minus 3. The first row elements are nothing but 1 0 2. See, this is the r1, means first row means horizontal elements, therefore the first row 1 0 2. Let me multiply each and every element of r1 by minus 3. First of all minus 3 into 1, minus 3 into 1, let me first of all write this, minus 3 into 0, minus 3 into 2. Okay, then equation then the matrix B becomes minus 3 into 1 minus 3, minus 3 into 0 0, minus 3 into 6 into 2 minus 6. The second row will be keeping as it is. The question is nothing but like this, find the addition of the two new matrices. These are the two new matrices A and B. Let we want to add these two matrices A plus B. Therefore A plus B is nothing but A plus B. We want to add these two matrices. Let we add A is nothing but 1 0 4 2 minus 1 3 plus minus 3 2 0 4 minus 6 5. Okay, we want to add these two matrices. Okay, let me add this. How to add these two numbers? Position wise we want to add these two matrices, means first row element means a 1 plus minus 3, next 4 plus 0, 4 plus 0, next minus 1 plus minus 6, next 0 plus 2, 0 plus 2. Okay, next 2 plus 4, next 3 plus 5, like this. Position wise we have to add. Okay, let me see the sum. 1 minus 3 means minus 2, 4 plus 0 means 4, minus 1 minus 6 minus 7, 0 plus 2 2, 2 plus 4 6, 3 plus 5 8. Therefore the addition of two new matrices will be minus 2 4 minus 7 2 6 8, like this. Let me see the next example. Question number 5. A equal to 1 2 3 minus 1 1 3 3 0 1 3 r1, sorry 3 r3 and then c3 plus 2 c2. Okay, 3 r3 and then c3 plus 2 times c2. Okay, let me do this operation on the given matrix A. Okay, let me write first of all the given matrix. Let A equal to 1 2 3 minus 1 1 3 3 0 1. Okay, now by 3 times r3. 3 times r3 means we want to multiply the third row by 3. Therefore A equal to, see, the operation is going to perform on the third row, means the first row and second row we keeping as it is. There will be no change in the first and second one. Therefore let me write first row as it is, second row as it is. Now 3 times r3 means third row is multiplied by 3. Therefore, let me multiply each and every element of R3 by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Therefore, this is nothing but 3R3. Okay. Next, C3 plus 2 times C2. Okay. By first of all, here we want to add C3 plus 2 C2. Let me apply the first operation 2 C2. Then we will add this in C3. Okay, by 2 times C2. Then A equal to 2 times C2 means the second column is multiplied by 2. This is my first column. This is my second column. This is my third column. Means first and third column we are keeping as it is. Therefore, let me write first of all first column. And then third column we want to multiply the second column by 2. Therefore, let me multiply 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 into 1 2, 2 9s are 18. This is my 2C2. Okay, the next operation will be by C3 plus 2C2. Okay, otherwise you can only write here C2 because already we are multiplying C2 by 2. This will be the same. In the bracket I am writing like this. We already performing here 2C2. Therefore, this will be the 2C2 means the coming new C2. Therefore, A equal to, yes, what we are doing? See here, the operation is going to perform on the third column C3. Means first and second columns are keeping as it is. Means first column we are writing as it is. Second column also we are writing as it is. There will be change in the only third column. C3 plus C2. C3 is nothing but 3. 3 minus 2. Let me write like this. Then 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2. 3 plus 18. 3 plus 18. C3 plus C2. Therefore, first elements are from C3 and then we are adding the elements from C2. The coming new matrix will be 1, 2, 9 keeping as it is, minus 2, 2, 18, 3 minus 2, 1, 0 plus 2, 2, 18 plus 3, 21. This is the new coming matrix. If you have any doubt, you can message, otherwise call us. I think this is sufficient in this video. Let me see the next example in the next video.